If your shoulder seam angle is like this, very sloper than your body shoulder, when you wear this jacket, your shoulder will be around here. And because of these different angles, you're going to have excess fabric near the neck area, near the high shoulder point. Hi, I'm Jin. Welcome to Pattern Studio 101. In this lesson, we're going to drop the pattern for this jacket. At first glance, it's a very relaxed, casual style. The jacket is quite short and has a very wide neckline with a built-in hood. It looks like a raglan sleeve, but it's actually a kimono sleeve. You can lay the whole jacket flat because there's no shaping at the underarm. That means the raglan line is there mainly for design, not for fit or structure. This is not a tailored or structured jacket at all. It's designed to be a very casual, comfy, and easy to wear piece. For today's lesson, I'll be using example measurement of 86 cm for the chest circumference and 36 cm for the shoulder width. But as you can see from the photo, the fit is very oversized and forgiving. We're going to build this entire pattern from scratch. In this video, we'll focus on drafting the back body, and then I'll show you how to finish the front and the hood in the next session. Alright, let's get started. Draw a rectangle. Horizontal is 1/4 of your bust circumference plus ease. So for my example, 86 centimeter divided by 4 is 21.5 centimeter, and I'm gonna add 10 centimeter ease. So 10 centimeter for the quarter body means 40 centimeter ease at the chest. But as I said, because this is a kimono sleeve, what you calculate now is for the hem sweep. The chest area will be connected with the sleeve, so it will be way bigger. Vertical is the jacket length, but actual jacket length will be shorter than this because I'm going to widen and deepen the neckline. Let's find the high shoulder point. Bust circumference divided by 12. Go up 2.5 centimeter. The shoulder width divided by 2. Once you connect 2 points, this is going to be the shoulder seam. This is a high shoulder point. This is the shoulder point. You can keep this shoulder angle and lengthen the shoulder seam, or you can change the shoulder angle. I'm going to show you this example for you to visualize different angles of the shoulder seam. If you keep the natural shoulder angle, the jacket will sit neatly on the body. So not a lot of excess fabric near the shoulder and around the neck. But when you drop your arm, you will have a lot of excess fabric near the underarm area. If you change the shoulder angle like this, you see there will be less fabric near the underarm area, but your mobility, when you raise your arms, there will be limitation compared to this angle. But still a lot of room to move your arms compared to the set-in sleeve. If your shoulder seam angle is like this, very sloper than your body shoulder, when you wear this jacket, your shoulder will be around here, and because of these different angles, you're gonna have excess fabric near the neck area, near the high shoulder point. There's nothing right or wrong or good or bad. If this can be part of your design, there's no problem. And I actually make the shoulder with this angle. So if you see this sample, you see there is a gap. And also, I'm going to widen the neck width a lot. So actual shoulder seam on the body shoulder will be very short. So I don't have to worry about the angle so much. So how much did I slope the shoulder angle? From this shoulder point, I went 3 centimeters down and draw a straight line. I draw the shoulder seam straight because later I'm going to attach the front and back sleeve, so I'm not going to have the actual shoulder seam on the shoulder. But if you're okay with to have a shoulder seam, you might consider this kind of curved shoulder seam. Then you're gonna have less excess fabric near the neck area and underarm as well. Okay, back to my pattern. The sleeve length is 68 centimeter. This is not regular sleeve length when you measure from the shoulder point to the wrist. This is from the high shoulder point, and this jacket sleeve is not full length. So you measure the sleeve length you want from the high shoulder point and wherever you want near the forearm. So this is my example, 68 centimeter. I'm going to widen the neck width. Along the shoulder seam, 7.5 centimeter. It's really wide, right? And at the center back, 5 centimeter. And you can draw the neck curve. Draw a sleeve hem 90 degrees from the shoulder seam. Then you can draw the underarm seam. Because this is a kimono sleeve, body side seam is connected to the sleeve inseam. So just one nice and smooth curve. This is your design, so you can have the curve you want. To draw a raglan seam, 6.5 centimeter from the center back, 11 centimeter from the hem. Draw a raglan seam. Again, this raglan seam is just design seam. Technically, this is a kimono sleeve. So you can draw the seam wherever you want and the shape you want. If you set the exact jacket length in the beginning, now we take out a lot at the center back, the actual jacket length is shorter. So if you want, you can lengthen it. I'm just going to keep it. So the pink is the back sleeve and the green is the back body. After we dropped the front pattern, I'm going to attach the shoulder seam with the front sleeve so there will be no actual seam here. There's a back facing inside the jacket, so you can see the stitches from the outside. So I drew the facing curve. There is a tunnel at the hem, so you can draw where you want to have the tunnel. For my example, this is 5.5 centimeter and this is 2.5 centimeter. So actual tunnel will be 2.5 centimeter. So the back body and back sleeve are done. We're going to draft the front pattern based on this back body pattern. Hey, did you know I have a masterclass all about pants balance? I'll walk you through how to draft a solid pants base frame and how to fix balance issues, especially if you're working with existing patterns. So many fit problems can be solved just by understanding pant balance. If you're tired of guessing and want real clarity, head over to patternstudio101.com and check it out. You do not want to miss this.